So mga Cubs, it's almost lunch break na. It's 12, but then kailangan natin tong tapusin. Nag-unload pa ng mga village ipoy. So yan na yung unloading ng village dito sa gilid ng break nila. Ito yung mga heifer cows natin. So cow? How are you, cows? How are you? Number 801. Are you full? How are you? And how about you? Doing great? Busog-lusog ang mga baby. So yan, unloading na ng village. So again, that's Jeffrey in the tractor. So, natulog na. And then, that's popping. Nag-check sa mga kawi-kawis. Nag-check sa body condition. Musta man? Okay ra? Dagko ra? Gumay ang mga baka? Mga heifers dahil ni na? So, mga heifers ni sila. So, it's their first time na ma-pregnant. So, pregnant ni sila. So, all of them are pregnant, and then it's their first time to experience milking this coming maybe next month. So that's June. There nagfix siya og water trough kay nagleaking ang water trough. So that's the water trough, that's the supply of the water. So tabangan siya ni popping Erwin while si Jeffrey nag-unload, and ako lang ko diri sa tractor, feeling driver. Mag-drive man gyapon ta sa tractor pero kanang patag lang ba. So here, ito yung kaganapan dito sa runoff. Feeding the cows, fixing the water trough, and then setting up the break for tomorrow and for the next days that may follow, like that. So that's it.